Hey everybody, Jerry Johnson here with MKE Property Detailing and Pressure Washing. We're out on Brady Street. As you guys can see, they tagged up Brady Street again. So yeah, there's a lot more on this building here and then this right here, right off of Brady Street to where pretty much everyone could see it. So as for you guys that don't know, we actually provide a free service for Brady Street. We're a part of the Brady Street community, and we also own businesses here. Actually, MKE Property Detailing started off right here on Brady Street. So we continued that service for them, and we basically take all this down free of charge. It's what we do. And yeah, so as you guys can see here, what I'm doing is laying up our elephant snot graffiti removal solution to the actual graffiti. Then after I get all that up, I go on ahead with a brush, which I'll show you in a second, and then go on ahead and just work it into the brick a little bit better. And then we're going to let it sit for a few hours and then come back and take it all down with the pressure washer. Not in my neighborhood, you don't.